Hi, I'm Marcus the Maximum. Welcome to my show. Finally got the drone my iPhone's hooked up to the camera on it now. And I just bound it, so it's ready to go. So, here we go. Let's see if it works. Let's see. There it goes. Oh, let's go. It's kind of windy, so I don't know, dude. I don't really know what's going on here. So here we go. What's up? I'm trying to figure this out here. Okay, so kind of windy, so maybe we should try it again another day. Let me try this a little more real quick. It's not very responsive. It's hard to go in the wind, but let's try to figure this out. Here we go again. Here it goes, dude. See if I can figure this out. No tricks today, I'm fighting the wind, so I'm going all the way forward right now. Going a little too much wind, so I'll land it real quick. Land. Not very responsive going right and left, so then again I only paid 50 bucks for it, so we'll try it again. Here we go. There we go again. So when you give it gas, it goes up a little bit, but kind of windy, so let's see if I can turn it like this. Ooh, that goes slow like that. Not very responsive. There we go. Yeah, next time I bring it out, probably I'll bring it out with no wind. We'll call it, I didn't land it. All right. That's all we got today. It's too dangerous to fly in the wind right now. Go full forward and it doesn't want to go forward much because it's too much wind, but there's the camera right there on my phone looking down at the grass or rocks. Okay. Thank you for watching my show. Everybody have a great day. Happy Monday. Thank you.